Hello friends, do you remember when was the last time you went to playground, or are you wondering when was the last time you play outside? Yes guys, smartphone has completely hold us, and with the growth of digital infrastructures, now it become our playground and outdoor sports has been replaced to mobile games. So according to estimate business of gaming in India, it will be 12,000 crore rupees by 2023 and India will become number one gaming market in the world. However, some such games which helps to grow the gaming industry. We are going to tell you about 10 most popular games in this video. So let's start this video guys. Number 10. Ludo King. Ludo King was created by Gametion Technology Private Limited and on 20 February 2016 it was first released on Apple Store. Although its popularity was not very special at first, but as soon as lockdown due to corona it was started making noise and it changed the life of Vikas Jaiswal. He is owner of this studio. In the first year, the game was downloaded by 4 million people, but later its popularity grew and currently it was more than 4 million downloads. And this game ruled the heart of people. Number 9. Fruit Ninja. Fruit Ninja has been developed by Australia's Half-Brick Studio and the game was released on 2010 and the game was first released for iPhone devices. Then it should be released for Xbox, Android and Windows Phone. And if it comes to gameplay, then fruits come on the player screen, then player has to swipe the screen to cut the fruits. More fruit you cut, more point you will get. And if you miss the fruits at least 3 times, you will lose the game. Apart from this, a lot of interesting features have been added. And friends, this game is popular not in India but all over the world. And in 2015, it crossed 100 million downloads. Also, the iPad version of this game is also used for recovery of brain stroke patients. Number 8. Asphalt 9. Guys, Asphalt 9 is car racing game which is developed by Gameloft Barcelona Studio. And the first version of this game was released in 2004. And in view of its success, more versions were released and on 25 July 2018, Asphalt 9 Legend was launched. It is something like collection of cars done according to different level. And friends, you get lot of car racing games in the Play Store, but hardly get the good graphics and controls like Asphalt in any game. And this great game has got more than 10 million downloads and this game also get 2019 Apple Design Award. Number 7. Subway Surfer. Subway Surfer was a very popular game and it was developed by Denmark company Killu and Saibo in 2012. People of all ages from children to elders play this game very easily. In this game, the player gets a character who has to run away from the inspector and dog, and the player also gets obstacles along the way and they also get some gifts inside the boxes. And guys, this game never ends, thus this game is a good source of entertainment. Also its color and its 3D graphics which attracts the children a lot. And in 2017, Subway Surfer was most downloaded game in whole world. This game became more popular in 2012 to 2019. Number 6. Temple Run. This game was developed by USA based company named Imaginary Studio and was released in iOS on August 4, 2011. And this game consists a never ending race and its main character, that is player, run away from big animal. Due to this, company made some improvement and released the second part of this game, that is Temple Run 2 in 2014. And the fellow player also avoid falling in water. And friends, this adventure game became very popular since it released. Number 5. Pokemon Go. Actually guys, Pokemon Go was augmented mobile game which released by Niantic and Pokemon Company together in 2016. And during the launch of this game completed 50 million downloads in just 1 year. And by the end of 2019, this game complete 100 million downloads and this game total revenue $3 billion at the end of 2019. Although many times it also caused road accidents, hence it faced lots of criticisms, but it counted among the most popular games in that time. Number 4. Call of Duty. Actually friends, Call of Duty is a war game developed by American Infinity Ward Company. The first version of this game was released in 2003 and the game was created on the theme of World War II. But later there is lots of changes and new updates came. They also created Cold War, Future World and Outer Space theme. And in this game player get into 5 modes and you have to kill the fellow players by finding the weapons. This game is very popular in single shooter game category and as of February 2016 more than 25 million downloads. And the next version of this game called Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War is going to release on 13 November 2020. Number 3. Clash of Clans. Clash of Clans is multiplayer online game which developed by Finland company Supercell and released on first day on 2 August 2012 on iOS. However, from the next year 2013, this game was also added in Google Play Store. Actually guys, this is a strategy game in which player has to make a clan and clan warrior and attacks the graves of other player. And friends, Clash of Clans brought a lots of money to Supercell company, and from the Fox magazine its estimated revenue is $1 billion at the end of 2013. Number 2. Garena Free Fire. This is the most popular game. In this game you get action and adventure. This game was created by Triple Dot Studio and released in 2017. In this game, player has to jump in the island in search of weapon and kill the other players, and the last player who get all the kills is the winner of the game. This game is so popular because this game crossed 500 million downloads and become world's most downloaded game. Number 1. PUBG Mobile. PUBG Mobile was banned in India, but before ban this game was very popular in India and its desktop version is made by South Korea in 2017. But to develop the mobile version of this game, there is a big hand of China's company, that is Tencent, and this is the reason why the game was completely banned in India. Actually, the Indian government was forced to take this step because of China's nefarious activity on the border. But whatever, the country comes first. So guys, this is top 10 most popular games of all time. Tell me in comment section which game you like most. And if you like to see such interesting videos, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much for your valuable time.